Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2019 Honda Accord maintenance light reset. We're going to be using that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. And keep in mind, fun fact, you can reset this particular car two-way. You can reset it here with these buttons, or you can reset it here with these buttons. So I'm gonna do it here. The reason why is a lot of cars not equipped with this, so you have to reset it over here manually. But if you equip with this is what you're gonna do. Press home and go to select, go down and click on vehicle, go down to maintenance info, select reset item, go down to actually go back up, and you can start audio item, and it'll reset for you everything. So just put reset, and we're done. And for those of you that does not equip with this, you can do it here. You can press home. This is a scroller, but it also used as a select button. And so press home and then scroll to maintenance, enter on the scroller. As you can see, I reset it with the computer, so it's 100%. But if not, then you press and hold the scroller. Well, it's not gonna reset for me because I already reset it, but you can press and hold the scroller, and you know it will reset for you. Yeah, so that is it, guys. There's two ways of doing this car. One is manually on the odometer here, and one is on the the screen right here. So yeah, so that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click that like, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.